Tap the standard mode button on the far left. Once inside, you'll notice two preset programs in the top right corner. Just choose the one that best fits your needs. In the middle, the coffee cup icon lets you switch between single and double shot extraction, depending on the filter basket you're using. Once you tap the icon, the machine will automatically brew according to your selection. This is the simple and efficient way to extract coffee with Seine X. Next, let's enter constant mode. Here you'll find an official preset program for 9-bar extraction. By tapping the settings icon in the top right corner, you can edit the program, adjusting values based on your coffee beans and personal taste preferences. Constant mode also allows you to create entirely new programs. Simply tap plus icon in the top left, select your target bar pressure and fine-tune the rest of the parameters as you like. Once you've chosen a program, tap the Start button to begin extraction. After brewing is complete, tap Edit in the top right to review the extraction data and even rate the flavour based on your experience. Don't forget to hit save after making adjustments. And if you decide you no longer need this program, just swipe right to delete it.